Naandito kami sa post office. May pipick upin si Mark. Tapos yung car show, hindi pala today. Tomorrow pala. Tomorrow and the next day. So, balik na lang kami tomorrow. Do you want your window open there? Let me to turn. I'm gonna turn off the car, the truck. So just open your window. Huh? Just open your window. Why? It's probably fine. Pumunta kami dito nung the other day. Sobrang daming tao. Nagpipick up ng package nila. Kaya umuwi na lang kami. Balik na si Mark. What is it?
I don't know. It feels like t-shirts to me.
Your
They
t-shirt?
have a really
Special?
special. I even had to look at the driver's license twice.
Oh, really?
And mark it down by whatever.
That's probably the request from the company.
Yeah.
Making it
must
sure.
be. Must be. I didn't get my delivery. Sent it again.
Oh. Okay.
Something like that. I don't know. Not for me.
They
but,
treat you really, really special.
yeah.
So
No,
you,
I didn't have any problems with that. But
so you'll come back, huh?
They must have had a lot of people or something that said they didn't receive something.
Ah.
The house.
Okay. Darling can have a t-shirt.
Yeah, probably.
Downtown ito, guys. Malaking spring resort.
Is this open yet?
No. But you can go through to the pizza.
More.
Yeah. Oh, did we bring?
Trim it up some more. I mean,
Did we have a coffee pod? Coffee needs a refill.
I'll double check.
I think it needs a refill.
They got some in the drawer up there. I'll double check. The scenic route
Right.
for those non-bakers.
The river's drying.
A couple people enjoying it. That's good to see.
Right. I think the water's still cold.
Yeah. Hope I get paid before the weekend. We'll go up to the lake.
Going to the lake. Construction dito sa downtown. Huh?
Never mind.
Construction.
That does go to the next one.
They're working on the road. Working all the way. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah. Aray ko.
I love tourists, don't I?
Oops. Go, go, go. Ay. No.
Oh.
After that black truck. Oh, no. There's no way. It's back up.
Big old mess.
Yan. Tagal matapos. You could have went to the around that pizza area.
Yeah, I know, but it'd been about the same.
No, it's not the same. They have a flagger in there. Punta kami uptown. Uptown girl. Pababa na ng uptown. Oops. Boating season. Walmart in there.
I'll go back through there for somebody.
What?
No.
Ah, okay. Somebody at the back?
Shake or anything with you?
Huh?
You want a shake or anything?
I'm sure.
Want to split one or do you want your own?
We'll just share.
Get a large chair. Sharing is caring.
Carrying. Ah, they have a station in there. Oh,
Yeah, a charging station.
charging
Yeah.
station.
Yeah. I thought
When
we
did-
went, last time.
Well, yeah, I haven't seen that the last time. When did they?
A couple times now. They've
Oh,
had-
is it?
Yeah.
Oh. We usually don't go in this side.
True.
It's the market. I was thinking to make a tamale,
Well, that sounds good.
but I need a chicken. Chicken.
Stop and see market next if you want.
McDonald. What do you want, Talan?
I know it.
Oh, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, he
Did you bribe him, my dear?
Uh,
You bribe him?
no. I just did this at the last minute.